Hello everyone and welcome back to our virtual class. By the way, I'm Sir Brian and our objective for this lesson are: first, describe how water is distributed on the earth, and second, identify various water resources. Now, for your activity 1 class, you are going to answer activity 1 entitled Water Distribution. You are going to complete the third column in table 1.1, distribution of water by percentage and volume in different locations. You may use your module as reference. Answer guide questions 1 to 7 and write your answers on your module. We need water for drinking, cooking, washing, electricity, drinking products, and a lot more. These waters are found anywhere, such as river, spring, lakes, pond, oasis. How water resources are being renewed? These water resources are being renewed by the so-called water cycle. Water passes through the different phases in its life cycle due to sun rays. Water from ocean, river, and other sources get evaporated since the elevated water is lighter than the atmospheric air. Hence, it gets lifted up in the atmosphere. Water vapor comes together and form clouds. These clouds are transferred by winds in various places. Water then comes to the earth in the form of rain or snow, which then gathered in various water sources such as oceans, rivers, and etc. This cycle continues, called hydrologic cycle, otherwise known as water cycle. Now, how much water is on the earth? The earth is so special because it has so much water. It is in the ground, form big oceans, or even in the atmosphere, and also in living things like your body, which mostly made up of water. Water covers 71% of the Earth's surface, and most of it, 96.5%, is a salt water. Just 3% of water on Earth is fresh water that we can drink. And most of that fresh water, covers 68%, is trapped on ice and glaciers. And 1/3 of that fresh water is in the ground. We call it groundwater. And the last 2% of fresh water in lakes, rivers, and streams. A very small amount is found on the atmosphere, where it forms as water vapor. That's what clouds are made of. If you took all the water on Earth and put it together, it would be a huge ball having 860 miles wide. And now, it's your turn to summarize our lesson. Very good, guys. It seems you really understood our lesson today. And please do your assignment written on your module and have some fun.